Hey guys, it's Kristen. I'm just here to talk to you about the install packets. Just want to let you guys know everything that kind of goes in them, what they're about. There's a lot of information that goes along with these packets, but we'll go into a lot of detailed information in different videos. But this is just kind of like a basic overview of what an install packet is. They are very important. So this is an install packet. So basically what happens is our comfort advisors will sell a job to install a new system, and then as soon as they sell it, we book the job and we're going to make a packet for the installers to take with them on their job. So they don't have iPads. It's really important that we have everything and all of the information in here whenever they go on their job. So I'm just going to kind of pull out basic information that is needed pretty much on every single install. So you can find all of this paperwork behind my desk. It's all on that black shelf. Everything that you're going to need to make a packet is going to be right there, including these sleeves. So we're always going to put an equipment sticker in each packet. That's really important for marketing reasons and others. There's going to be a call sheet. In another video, I'll show you how to exactly to book a call. But just when we're talking about the packets, this is a call sheet. So it's printed straight off of ServiceTitan. It's going to have the address on it and tell them exactly where they need to go, and other information about the job. So model and serial numbers, specific things that need to be done on jobs. If the job needs new refrigerant lines, or if not, that will be listed in the call. So I'll show you what one of these looks like. Whenever our comfort advisors sell and install, it comes through my email and Shay's and the comfort advisor's email, and it looks like this. And basically what I do is I take and I copy and paste all of this information, including what we're doing up here, and I just put it in the call on ServiceTitan. Attached to that email will also be the proposal, and this is what we've sold. So you'll see amounts here for how much we're charging, how they're going to pay, etc. But we'll go into a little bit more detail about this later, but that's the basis of what's needed. So I receive an email, and then immediately I make a packet for our installers. So we make the job sheet, equipment sticker, an invoice. The customer will need to sign this here, but our installers will take care of that, and they know what they have to do. We just need to make sure that we get it with the correct information on it. Okay, this one's super important. This is a model and serial number sheet. So they're going to take the equipment stickers off of the equipment, and they're going to place it on here or write it on here. It's important because if we don't have the correct model and serial numbers listed on this model and serial number sheet, or we don't have all of them, we can't register their equipment without going back out there, and that makes us look unprofessional. So we want to make sure that we get the model and serial numbers on every job. Another big one, we cannot send an installer to install without this sheet right here in each packet. No matter what job it is, no matter what packet that we're making, our comfort advisors are going to need to fill this out. It's got tons of information that is very useful to our installers, okay? It helps for our jobs to go a lot smoother. Our comfort advisors make notes, and that's how they communicate without having to go into calling each other the next day and stopping through their job. So this is really important. It's imperative. These have to be in each packet. Okay, and then this is performance pay sheets. I put 2 in each one for each installer that's on the job. This is going to be filled out by you in this area. Okay. Our installers will put what they make for each job on this. So you don't have to worry about that unless you're adding up how much they make, which you shouldn't be doing that anyway. So basically they'll put their pay on here and they'll get it to the appropriate staff. So that's the basic information that goes in every packet. There are some details that will need to be talked about in other videos with other things that we do. We offer financing and things like that. But yet again, the paperwork is all behind my desk. If it's not behind my desk, if we've moved it for some reason, just get with your supervisor and ask them where that's located. If not, the sales manager should be able to tell you where that's at if I'm not here. Okay? Thanks.